Moonlight bathes the bedroom as Mirha guides Mohammed Hussein, her younger brother, as they prepare for sleep. Hussein, innocence shining in his eyes, looks up at Mirha as she asks, "Hussein, do you want to hear a story tonight?" With a child's enthusiasm, Mohammed Hussein responds, "Yes, the sister story." Their mother, standing in the doorway, smiles warmly, declaring, "Tonight's story will be about a sibling's dream." As Mirha and Hussein drift into slumber, the room transforms into a canvas of dreams, painted with stardust. Bathed in an ethereal glow, the children begin to ascend, leaving the mundane world behind. Come with me into the world of dreams. The familiar bedroom fades, replaced by a vibrant, magical garden, teeming with impossible colors. Luminous flowers bloom in impossible colors, their petals shimmering with unseen energy. The air hums with unseen energy, inviting Mirha and Hussein deeper into the dream. Mirha and Hussein step into a magical garden where flowers glow with an ethereal light. Butterflies with iridescent wings dance around them, adding to the enchantment. Mirha marvels at the scene. "Wow! These flowers are laughing by themselves." Hussein responds with equal delight. "These butterflies are greeting me." A gate shimmers into view, bearing the inscription, "Only for those who love their siblings." Hand in hand, Mirha and Hussein step through the gate, ready for whatever awaits them.
If you like this video, then like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon button for more interesting videos.